Yo, good morning. It is President's Day. Your boys at the Thrift. I asked the workers last week if they were gonna be open today just to make sure. So we in the Gucci. Let's go Thrift. He's starting off this trip to the Thrift super strong. 2010 black and white Air Force Ones. These are my size, so I'm probably just gonna get these right here. I've never seen this before, but it's a Polo Sport side bag with the pink. Super clean. The inside, see the tag right there. This is fire. For sure picking both of these up. This one, oh my god. This is the first EMINEM piece that I'm actually gonna pick up. Like, I've never found an EMINEM piece that was worth picking up. See right there, 2002. And the True Blues? I don't know if I can let this one go. This one is fire. And then this one right here, in my size as well, is a full North Face bodysuit. Not bodysuit, but you know. Let's go. Yo, kids, Guess jeans, vest, all denim. This is so clean. For sure picking this up. Another one of these Chaps Ralph Lauren jackets. Taxing though, they're asking for 13. I'm gonna leave this. North Face, women's size large. An odd feature tee right here. Size medium in men's. Yo! Oh, damn.
Good morning. Can I get any breakfast sandwiches started for you today?
No thank you.
Okay, what can I get for you?
Okay. Got fried chicken and donuts? That's bruh. Bruh. Peep the food though. Oh my god. We're about to go in. Let's go. Hi boo. Yo! You know I got the full suit on. Under 20 bucks for the full suit. Hair looking crazy. It's all good. We just got here to the Grove. Ooh, it's a little cold. We're gonna go to the Container Store. The boo-boo's gotta return some stuff at Sephora. And yeah, let's go. Got the new slides on today. Shout out Sandal Boys. Yeah. So we just finished at my favorite store to go to, Sephora. We're here at the World Market now, and then we're actually gonna go to the Container Store to look for some stuff for my barber case. Nice! I'm so excited, y'all. I have never been in here. Alright guys, I think I'm gonna go with this one right here. It's an art bin. But I can basically fit the clippers in like here and here, and then it has these extra pieces so I can like break them off and then divide it how I want to. So this is probably gonna be the move. And we're at the Beverly Center now. We're gonna head to the Gucci store to pick up some slides and a hat. Gucci? Gucci store's right there, but we're not allowed to film. So too bad. Alright, so we got the Gucci slides right here. Too bad my dad doesn't get the excitement of opening these, but these are actually for him. But he just wanted to see a picture of them, but yo, these is fire.
Smells good.
What up guys, so we just got back to the hometown and we're gonna stop by the grocery store to get some snacks. Let's go boo. We're gonna get some snacks and get some food for dinner to cook. Time to grub. Uh-oh. Hello. Looks like we're gonna be making some pasta. What? Baby, what is that?
Prego.
Stop. No. Walk away. Yo. Oh, my hair's sticking out. Little baby hairs. We with the boo-boo now. What up, boo? Let's hit more thrifts. Let's go. They got these vintage eyeglasses right here. They're prescription, but you could always take these out and turn them into eyeglasses or sunglasses. Might scoop this. North Face jacket right here, but it's a little beat. It's kind of plain. It says the North Face right there on the arm. It's super stained, so probably gonna have to leave this one as well. Look at that. I'm for sure picking up this one right here. Vintage single stitch Michelangelo tee. This is crazy. Let's go. Maybe this Louis Vuitton duffel. Zipper's broken and it's fake. But they're asking for 40. It's so crazy. Dude, this Nike jacket is crazy. Got the blue Nike logo right there, super low key, but look how shiny it is. It's like a, if you guys have ever seen a vintage Tommy jacket that's kind of shiny like this, it's got the logo right there. Dude, size large. I'm probably gonna cop this. This looks, oh my god. Just found this North Face size medium, I believe. Yeah, men's medium with the matching pants right here. Both size medium. I'm probably gonna pick up both of these. It's a pretty cool little suit right here. Just found this Disney Bambi Givenchy Terrace crew neck. Probably gonna pick this up. Let's see. Yeah, we at Harbor Freight. I'm gonna look for a barber box to put inside the suitcase that I have. So let's go. So I found this silver case right here. I'm gonna go with this one. The inside's dope. I'll show you guys. Comes with a key, and I can fit all my stuff inside here. This is perfect. Yeah. Alright guys, so I just got back home. Just wanted to show you guys the pieces that I picked up so far in this trip to the thrift. We got the Michelangelo right here, 1990s. Very cool piece. Signature. Hands touching right there, fingers. EMINEM tee. This is actually the first EMINEM tee that I've ever come across. I actually copped 2002. You can see it right there. It's got the true blues on with the Jordan wife beater and the beanie. Cozy. Right here I got this pair of North Face overalls, vintage, size large. These are crazy, super fire. And then this right here, it's a vintage Nike windbreaker, but the reason why I like it, or not windbreaker, just like jacket I guess, but the reason why I like it is because it's so low-key. See the blue right there? It's got little hits on the Nike like zipper right there, and then it's got this right here on the back. But just look how, like, if you guys could see how the light just bounces off this, it just looks super crazy. It just makes it look extra shiny. I cannot wait to rock this, to get an outfit picture with this. This thing is fire. But yeah, let's get into the next day. Just found this vintage Nike Tracy McGrady jersey. Size XL. This is tight. Still in pretty good condition for it being white. Just found this Versace jacket. Pretty sure this is bootleg, but it's still fire. Look at all the details. They're actually upside down on a lot of them, and some of them are not upside down. This is a pretty crazy piece. It's kind of got like an off-white colorway. See the piece number right there? Yeah, and I think the back is just plain. Yeah, just got more Versace hits right there. Might scoop. They're asking for 40. Just found this salmon colorway Levi's jacket, jean jacket. Size XXL, so it's oversized. It's kind of fire. Might have to cop this. Yo, what's good, guys? As you can tell, the camera's a little different. I had to switch out to my GoPro because dropped my camera yesterday. I actually dropped my camera yesterday here at the thrift store, and the screen stopped like fully popping out, and then the screen would just actually stay black. So now I'm using my GoPro right now, but I'm taking my camera to Best Buy after school today, after barber school, because I do have the 3-year warranty and it has not hit the 3 years yet. I still have like 5 more months, so kind of perfect timing, but hopefully we can get it fixed or get a new one. We'll see. Let's go thrift. New Kids on the Block 2008 tour tee. Might scoop this up. Got another one right here, Sherpa, Levi's, and then this vintage Jordan jersey. They're asking for 20. It's a XXL, but it does have a little bit of like fading here, but adds character to it, so we'll see. Just found this pair of Made in USA Patagonia fleece like joggers. This actually might be the matching joggers to the jacket that I bought a while ago. If you guys have been following me, I found a Patagonia fleece jacket at the Goodwill bins. This might be the perfect match. Another full jumpsuit. Let's go. Just found these North Face gloves right here. Plain black. Simple. Always a good come up. North Face gloves are fire. Alright, before we go in, I just got here to Best Buy. I just wanted to show you guys that I picked up the Patagonia fleece sweats to go with the sweater I have at home. You will see that it does match perfectly. And then right here I also picked up the North Face gloves because very simple, basic, black and white. So I could rock this with anything. It's cool. So you see right there, Best Buy. I really hope I could fix my camera, man. I'm super sad about this. Let's go. Yes. Luckily, I got a warranty, 3-year warranty. It actually is up in November, so I was able to get basically, if they can fix it, they can fix it. If they can't, they're gonna send me a brand new one. Let's go. Yeah. Yo, it's a perfect fit. These are literally the pants for this sweater. Patagonia. Let's go, boy. Good morning. It is the next day. We cozy. Got the very cozy hoodie on. Thermal sweats. Wearing my shoes for barber school. They're a little dirty, but let's go Thrift. Let's go. Found these vintage Nike ACG snow pants. These are pretty tight. It's got like the hard material at the knees, but then this is all like ripped, so I'm gonna have to leave it, sadly. How tight this is, dude. And that's this ACG right here on the bottom. Sadly, gotta pass. Got these vintage Guess shorts for women though. The triangle gets me every time. So far. Yo! What up, guys? So I just got back to the boo-boo's house. Wish her to get well. The boo-boo caught the flu. Just a slight one though. So I got her some Pedialyte to make her feel a little bit better. But leave some positive comments down below for the boo-boo. But yeah, just got home. Hope you guys enjoyed this trip to the Thrift, numero 59. And you already know the slogan, because we the coziest in the game. What is good? Let's go!